sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS Class. Mercedes-Benz made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including heated and ventilated seats, blind spot sensor, and leather upholstery. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10 GB hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.